Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 263 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about gently holding space for mental, physical, and emotional pain. Instead of fighting it, we practice breathing through it, offering ourselves kindness. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Notice where you feel tension in your body, your mind, or your heart. Allow yourself to acknowledge it without judgment. Now, say to yourself, I see my pain. I breathe with my pain. And I offer myself compassion. Keep breathing gently. You don't need to fix everything right now. Just be present with kindness. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of compassion with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.